Good day everyone, welcome to our discussion about curriculum evaluation and reasons for evaluation, which is very important to understand because it will present the ways of evaluating the curriculum as written, planned, and implemented. It will reference popular curriculum models currently used in educational programs here and abroad.
Curriculum evaluation.
Curriculum evaluation is a component of curriculum development that responds to public accountability. It looks into educational reforms or innovations that happen in the teachers' classrooms, the school, district, division, or the whole educational system as well. It is establishing the merit and worth of a curriculum. When we say merit, it refers to the value and worth of the curriculum. Test results will only be used as one of the pieces of evidence of evaluation. Well, the purpose of evaluation is to improve and not to prove. Curriculum evaluation is a premise on the concept of alignment of planned, written, and implemented curriculum. It is an attempt to answer two big questions as, first, do planned courses, programs, activities as written and implemented produce desired outcomes? The last one, how can this school curricula be improved? And now I'm gonna discuss to you what, why, and how to evaluate a curriculum. What is curriculum evaluation? Curriculum evaluation is a new idea for many teachers, not knowing that every day the teacher is involved in several components of evaluation. Well, there are two ways of looking at curriculum evaluation. First, curriculum program evaluation. Well, this evaluation may focus on the overall aspects of a curriculum on the curriculum itself. More often, it refers to a big curriculum programs. Examples of these programs that may undergo a curriculum program evaluation are the K-12 curriculum and the Integrated Science Program, the Teacher Education Program, the Mother Tongue Curriculum, the Process Approach in Mathematics Curriculum, Outcomes-Based Curriculum in Teacher Education, or Experiential Teacher Education. So let's move on to curriculum program evaluation and let's proceed to the second one. It is curriculum program component evaluation. A curriculum component may include separate evaluation of achieved learning outcomes, curriculum process of teaching, learning methods or strategies, and instructional materials like books, modules, or models. So the first lesson attempt to teach us how to look into curriculum evaluation from two examples, which are curriculum program evaluation using the curriculum evaluation models and curriculum evaluation of the specific component of curriculum programs, as in instructional materials evaluation.
Good day everyone! I am going to give a lesson about curriculum evaluation as a process and a tool. Do you have a clear understanding of what curriculum evaluation is all about? Is it synonymous to assessment of learning? Analysis of various definitions reveals that evaluation is both a process and a tool. A process in a way that it follows a procedure based on the models and frameworks to get the desired results. And as a tool, it will help teachers and program implementers to judge the worth and merit of the program innovation or curricular changes. So, for both process and the tool, the result of evaluation will be the basis to improve that curriculum. Let's look how curricularists define curriculum evaluation. According to Ornstein and Hankins 1998, curriculum evaluation is a process to gather and interpret the data coming from an existing curriculum. It also helps to decide whether to accept, change, and eliminate some old curriculum. And that is why curriculum is dynamic. It is dynamic because it changed from time to time. To McNeil 1977, evaluation answers two questions. Number one, do planned learning opportunities programs, courses, and activity as developed and organized actually produce desired result? And how can a curriculum best be improved? That is why we need to ever win the curriculum in order for us to get the answers of that particular question. According also to Gale 1985, evaluation is a process to identify the strengths and weaknesses as well as the problems encountered and the implementations. This means that it is really need to ever win a certain curriculum to enhance the strength and to use the weaknesses as the strength to improve the curriculum. Lastly, according to Oliva P. 1988, curriculum evaluation is the process in delineating, obtaining, and providing useful information for purpose of modifying or eliminating the curriculum. Basically, evaluation plays a vital role in a certain curriculum. Why? Because it is the basis to improve and innovate existing curriculum. It is also a way to eradicate the negative aspect of the curriculum.
As we heard the definition and discussion of curriculum evaluation, we understand that curriculum evaluation is a component of curriculum development that responds to the public accountability. And its main purpose is to improve, not to prove the curriculum. Now, we will going to discuss and discover what might be the reasons why we must have or why we should have a curriculum evaluation.
The first reason why we should have a curriculum evaluation, it is because it identifies the strengths and weaknesses of an existing curriculum that will be the basis of the intended plan, design, or implementation. This is referred to as the needs assessment.
In our life, we have also our strengths and weaknesses. Just like to the curriculum of education, they have also the strengths and weaknesses. And by evaluating the curriculums of education, it will help to identify what are those things that they should continue and what are those things that they should need to improve. For example, is when an existing curriculum experiencing difficulties because of their culture or traditions of their place, the through curriculum evaluation, it will help to give an advice, a plan, or design, and implement actions or solutions to that said curriculum.
Another reason why we should have or why we must have the evaluation in our curriculum, it is because during or when the evaluation is done in the middle of the curriculum development, it will tell if the designed or implemented curriculum can produce or is producing the desired results. This is related to monitoring.
As we can observe to the first reason, it is referred to as needs of assessment. And the second reason is related to monitoring. So we can say that there is a ways or process in evaluating a curriculum. It is because there are four terminologies in conducting a curriculum evaluation. First term is what we call needs of assessment. The second is monitoring. The third one is terminal assessment, and the last is decision making. Another reason why curriculum evaluation is very essential, it is because we know that every curriculums have their own plans, designs, and implementations, but all of that are less useful unless there is an evaluation. There are many reasons why we need to have a curriculum evaluation, and it will be continued by Ms. Rizales.
Curriculum evaluation is a necessary and important aspect of any national education system. provides the basis for curriculum policy decisions, for feedback on continuous curriculum adjustments, and processes of curriculum implementation. Curriculum evaluation aims to examine the impact of implemented curriculum on student learning achievement so that the official curriculum can be revised if necessary and to review teaching and learning processes in the classroom. Based on some standards, curriculum evaluation will guide whether the results have equaled or expressed the standards, thus can be labeled as success. This is sometimes called terminal assessment. Curriculum evaluation provides information necessary for teachers, school managers, curriculum specialists for policy recommendations that will enhance achieve learning outcomes. This is the basis of decision making. The ultimate goal of curriculum evaluation is to ensure the curriculum is effective in promoting improved quality of student learning. Student assessment therefore connotes assessment of student learning. Assessment of student learning has always been a powerful influence on how and what teachers teach and is thus an important source of feedback on the appropriateness implementation of curriculum content. Fulfilling diverse objectives of diagnosis, certification, and accountability requires different kinds of assessment, instruments, and strategies selected to achieve specific purposes. Assessment of learning could be summative or formative, and there are various types of tests to address different needs such as standards tests, performance-based tests, ability tests, aptitude tests, and intelligence tests.
Thank you for watching.